Hey everybody, welcome to Mr. Fix. It's a Super Bowl edition. And what's better than the Super Bowl? Watching a good game and having some good food. And in this week's episode, what we're going to look at is the Ninja Foodi Deluxe, the large edition, which is almost 8 liters of cooking area inside. So stay tuned and watch this great episode and some good eats on Mr. Fix. So here it is. This is the F. So here it is. This is the Ninja air fryer / pressure cooker FD401. The unit flips up, comes with a second lid. This is your pressure cooker lid that you'd have. Inside you have the air fryer basket and then your regular pot that you have. Now, and it comes with these double stack grill for pressure cooking. Controls are pretty easy. Below the dial is the function, temperature function, whether it pressure cook, steam, an assortment of whichever. For me, we're talking pressure cook, and then you just keep turning, and then there's air fryer, there's a light that are going to make it work. Then you can adjust the temperature on one side, you go higher, lower, you can see it going, and then on the other side you hit it, and then it's your time that you can adjust. So we went and bought Costco chicken wings. It's about 2.5 kilos. So it's about 60 wings. 60 wings, be able to do it. Now you're gonna need a lot of time to do this. You're not gonna be able to do it all in one shot. So for pressure cooking, we're gonna use the steel grade, okay? First off, you're gonna need 125 ml water. We'll put that at the bottom, okay? Right in. Then we're gonna put part 1 of the tray in. And then what we're gonna do is we're going to start loading the wings up top. Once you have that all spread out of the bottom one, you're going to put your second tray on and do another row. Now we're going to pressure cook. You're going to notice it kind of goes on, and then you turn it to lock it into position. Once everything's aligned at the back, that you're going to make sure that it's on to the seal position. Go to your functions in the middle, hit your function, pressure cook, and then what we're going to do is we're going to, time is going to be, the temp is always going to be on high. Your time, we're going to set it to 5 minutes. Total time is probably 20 minutes from pressure cooking to start to finish, and that's to do 30 wings. Okay, now once this beeps, it's going to stop, and what you're going to do is you're going to release the airlock in the back. Be very careful when you put it to vent that get your hands out of the way and your face out of the way. It's going to steam. So what I like to do is I like to have a couple of wooden spoons. I'm going to go to vent. You're going to see the steam come up, and I'm going to pat it down with this guy. Now you keep releasing it until there's a little metal tab on right beside it that's fully elevated. Once that drops, it's going to tell you that all the pressures inside is done, and it'll be safe for you to twist it out. Now, next thing you're going to do, remember we locked it into position, we're going to unlock it into position. And we'll unlock it, it's unlocked. Do not open it towards yourself, the steam is going to hit you in the face. What you want to do is be very careful and release it opposite to your face. They're fully cooked. We're going to take them from there. We're going to put parchment paper. If you wanted to, you could do 20 of these. You could do 20 and we can move straight to the air fry right afterwards. We're a larger family. We have to cook 60. All right? So we're going to move these to the parchment paper and reload it with the rest of the wings. Pressure cook again. All right. That's all of them. You're going to see what remnants you have at the bottom. You're going to get all the fat that's going to come off of it. Now what I like to do is I like to take it all off. I'm going to unload all that garbage, load it up with some water again, load up the remaining wings, and pressure cook. So the second batch is almost done. What I'm going to do here is, it says canola oil, corn oil, 3 tablespoons. Okay? And then we're gonna mix the wings in it. All right, so we're all cleaned up. Put this back in. You're gonna get your air frying grill here. Now you can load it up on the side. I prefer to put it here just in case there's some drippings. Stir up those wings with the oil. Now, what we're gonna do is, we're gonna put it into the air frying basket. Can't overload it. You overload it, it won't be able to breathe. The air fryer is all about the circulation of it. So if you overload it and just dump it in, it's not gonna work really well. So let's put in a bunch of wings here. So make sure that you have air that circulates around it. Now that looks pretty good. If I gotta put another wing in there, because I'm gonna do this about 20 wings at a time. So you can see, not overloaded, because it won't crisp. You won't get that crispiness in it. We're gonna close this one up. I'm gonna switch the function to air. And air, we want timer 20 minutes. Then on temperature, 400 Fahrenheit. And turn it every 7 minutes. Right, so at the 7-minute mark, we're just gonna toss them around a little bit. And just close it up and the timer just continues. Another turn going. You can see they're starting to get really nice and brown in there. That's why you need that space, eh? Now, they're probably ready to go now, but I like them a little bit extra crispy. So I'm gonna give it a little bit more time, the full 20 minutes. All right, so here we go. Boom, she's done. See what they look like. Oh, look at that. That looks pretty good. You can use salt, pepper, Frankie's or wing dip, whatever you like. And remember, don't overload it in this air fryer, or else it won't work. You need patience, you need time. Put this over there. As those are getting tossed, I kind of like split them out into 3 packs. I'm gonna put these other ones in here right away. Spread them out a little bit while we wait. Close them up, give these guys 20 minutes. Here we go, once you toss it, set these with salt. Look at this. This is what it's all about. Nice, crispy, ready to go. All right, this is the last batch. And once it gets hot, less than the 20 minutes, probably about 15 to 16 minutes. So that's why you turn it every 5. The more air that you have in between, the faster it's gonna cook. This is fantastic, this is lovely. You know, we're already eating like 60 wings. We're already done eating and the game hasn't even started yet. Now, as far as cleaning, it's really easy. We're gonna take out the basket. Remember that it's real hot. And take it out. And then you're gonna take the main basket out. And this can get cleaned out also. The rest really easy to clean. There's nothing to it because it's already cleaned.
The camera is.
Wings are phenomenal. They're really good. It takes a little bit of time with that air fryer. It's crispy. It's healthy for you. Tastes really good. Mr. Fix gives a thumbs up to this Ninja Foodi Deluxe. Crisp wings like you wouldn't believe. It's very good. You know, thankful for me, I have a live studio audience. That's not for everybody, but you know, I deal with it. So this one cleans well, crisps nice. Good luck to you and your air fryer, whichever one you choose, and your chicken wings, and happy Super Bowl by Mr. Fix.
Relationship coming together was a big part of
Can you believe this guy?
late season surge.